Hello friends, welcome back to my channel on statistics. If you are seeing my videos first time, then do subscribe. In this tutorial, we are going to explain most important distribution that is called introduction to T distribution. Okay, introduction to T distribution. Before going to the T distribution, first we need to know about the normal distribution and all things. T distribution is one of the sampling distribution. Okay, from the this video, I will tell you what is the process. Sorry, what is the distribution with the definition, then what are the different types of available in t-test, and with examples related to the spss and r software and excel. Okay, there are three types of t-tests available. We don't need to remember formulas and everything for the software purpose. We just need to remember the which type of data available, then which test we need to apply. Okay, first we will see. By the end of this chapter, you should be able to understand the difference between the types of t-testable available and on which test to choose for a given dataset. Okay. For example, I have weight tests of different students. That is that time we need to apply only single t-test. Okay. We should explain with examples. Okay. Then use the statistical program to perform t-test and determine the significance p-value. Okay. This is the conclusions. Okay, this okay. See, now we are going to the topic t-test. Generally, why we use t-test means t-test used for testing the significance difference between two population mean and samplation mean. When here you need to observe this t-test is applicable for less than 30 sample, small sample only, and here standard deviation is unknown and is sample should be follow normal distribution. Okay, we all know that this type of model x bar minus mu y, here s divides by root n, follow t distribution with n minus 1 degrees of freedom. This is the introduction of statistics. T n minus 1 degrees of freedom. Okay, this is our test statistics. Okay, now see what is the independence to okay, wait, see, a student status compare the two different means, and although an ANOVA has a capability to run the same, but an ANOVA is better suitable for the comparing three or more means. So from the next tutorial we discuss ANOVA. In this tutorial we just discussed about t-test. Okay, see, there are two main type of t-tests available, that is one sample t-test and two sample two test. Here in two sample there is two things are there: paired two sample, then independent two two sample. In independence also, if variance is equal, then we will go t-test. If variance is unequal, then we go for Welch t-test. We discussed on each and everything. This is totally related to the types of t-tests. Here you can observe that two populations or groups can be paired, means paired t-test related to the apples to apple, unrelated apples to organs, like this. Okay, now we can see the types: one sample t-test, then two sample t-test, then two sample pay test. You need for software purpose, we don't need to remember all the statistics and what is the formula for degree of freedom and all things. We just need to remember which type of data available and which type of things are available. So this is our hypothesis. For here hypothesis also, we all know that there are two types of hypotheses. Okay, here this is our null hypothesis, this is our alternative hypothesis. Here alternative should be one tail or two tail, it will be less than, it will be greater than, these all things will be different. Okay, for testing two sample there is no degree significance difference, there is significant difference, that is our h0 and h1. There are some assumptions for satisfying for applying t-test. See first assumption. Our first assumption is data set. The independent variables is categorical with two groups and the dependent variable is continuous. Okay, for example, one sample teaches the variable is continuous. Data should be continuous. Then second is distribution of data. Data should be small sample. Okay. Then independent of sample. Okay. Homogeneity. Then we have random sampling. Okay. Now we will see one example related to the t-test in Excel. Okay. See, this is my Excel data. Okay, and now I am zooming the okay. This is my Excel data. Okay, here I have male BPN and female BPN. This is related to the medical example. Now I want to conduct t-test. Now I want to conduct t-test. I think I didn't discuss that syntax. Now I will explain here syntax. What is syntax? Formula is t dot test. T dot test. Then you need to remember range. For example, I want to apply single sample t-test. Okay, single sample t-test. Then ranges are different. For example, I am applying. I have two data sets, so I am applying two sample data sets. See here, this is my array one size. Okay, this is my array one size. This is my array two size. Okay, sorry, here we need to put colon, otherwise it will be generate error. Okay, then what we need, which tail we are using, one tail test or two tail test. For example, I am using two tail test. Then we need which type of t distribution you use. In Excel there is predefined array. For example, you are using paired t-test, then you need to use one. Here you are using two sample equal variances, then you use two. If you are using two sample unequal variances, we are using C. Okay, see, wait. Okay, we need to type again here. Okay, no need to worry. Here we go. Okay, we can do here okay, now we can do here t dash test t test uh, t dot test. Then our array one range is this array one. Okay, this is our array range one. Then we have second array, we are using two sample two test. Then we are using unequal variances, so we are using three code. See here we are getting p value. So one more thing you remember, by using Excel software you get only p value. There is no t critical value. Okay, by observing the p value here you got 0.23975, 0.32975. Here up you got 0.2397, means at 5% level of significance, at 10% level of significance, h naught should be accepted. Okay, if you want to you can apply different ways also. Here you can see, here we are applying 3 means two sample unequal variances. You can apply two sample equal variance by applying 2. Here applying util, then what you get, see here you got 0.18197. That will be based on you are applying statistics. But if you are using paired, then you should be equal sizes. So if I use one, it will be generate error. See, because the sample should be not paired. Okay, so this is related to the Excel. Now we will see in R what will happen related to the R software. See, I have American data and Indian data. Okay, I take some American weights. The India. Oh, first I will show you. See, these are the weight of 11 students from American. Now I am saying Indian. Now I want to check the length of. See, American length is 11, Indian length is 11. So now I apply t-test. So before applying to the t-test, first we need to know what is the t-test. Okay, for t-test document you can use just question mark t-test, then you get the help. You are going to the help section. Okay, you can see what is the commands and available here. You can observe this is our syntax. T does test if a data is x comma y, then it means two tempos. For example, I am applying t dot test. Okay, I want only American with mu. How much mu I am giving? I am giving mu approximately 70. Okay, let's see what will happen. See here, one sample t test. Here, data is American. My t value is 0.031731 and p value degrees of freedom is t, because 11 samples are there. 11 minus 1 is 10 degree of freedom. Then p value I got 0.9753. So it is no significant. So echelon should be accepted. Okay, for example, I want two samples, then I just what I put, there is no requirement of mu, I just put Indian. Then type should be a paired. If I use paired, then I use false, then what will happen? See, welch two sample toolset is going. If I put true, then because error in complete case is not a, there is no paired data. Okay, like this. Okay, now you can observe the result from the R software. You can get the T critical value also, but in Excel software you didn't get all things. You can just get the p value. We have seeing the p value, we can conclude our results. Here you can get the sample estimates of mean and mean y. Then you can get the 95% confidence and all things. Okay, this is the brief introduction about T set. Okay, if you have any queries related to the T test from Excel or R software, you can contact me. Thank you.